Hello, hello. Today is August 9th. We're at HomeGoods. It's like 10:15 in the morning, so hopefully none of the good stuff that they put out today has already been picked through. But it looks like the sky is about to open up and like dump on me. We got a crazy storm coming through. I just saw like a very crazy strike of lightning and some weird sounding thunder. So let's go ahead and get in before we die.
Look at all those chickens.
If you know, you know. I thought of that and I want a goose, I want a goose that lays gold eggs for Easter. Whatever it is. And look how many, and they're so cute. And I love them. Just resting. We literally made it just in time. It is now pouring. Guys, look at this giant headless horseman. I don't like that he's all black. I wish that the pumpkin head would have been like a neon orange, but he's a big boy. And I wonder how much he is. He is $150, which honestly I was expecting at least two something, so I can't really complain. It's got some mermaid skeletons down here. And your basic signs and stacked pumpkins. I'm just not a fan of that type of design. I know a lot of people love it, and that's great. So, you know, you can, more for you guys. So these little trays, it's like serving trays with a cat on it, is so adorable. I love that a lot. I just don't know what I would personally do with it, but it is adorable. That guy, hello. I think I have this actually. I'm pretty sure I do have that. Could be wrong. Got some cute fall stuff. Oh, look at, oh my goodness. The little bat is so cute in that giant Frankenstein head. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Look at these snakes. Got some like cobras. And then these two guys. All right, that was pretty much it for HomeGoods. The rain slowed down long enough for me to get back to my car. We're gonna go to Ross, somewhere we haven't been yet this year. I have a little bit of hope for Ross, not a lot, but we'll see. And right next to Ross is an Ulta, and I know I need nothing in there, but I have no willpower. We've talked about this. It's a problem. So, yeah. Let's head on over to Ross. Oh, I wonder if Kohls has done renovating their Sephora. Maybe we'll just go there instead of Ulta, because I wanted to go to Kohls anyways, because that's another place we haven't been yet to look for Halloween. Kohls never really has a whole lot, but I mean, it's worth a look. But there's a Sephora in Kohls now, so two birds, one stone, maybe? Ooh, it looks beautiful. All right. Okay, Kohls girl. All right, we stepping up in the world. Shit. What is that? What is this? What is this? It's another thing soon. It's a Halloween store. But what kind of Halloween store? Oh, that's Spirit. Damn, Spirit moved again? Oh! Hi, Spirit. It says opening soon. Workforspirit.com. Yeah, that's Spirit. Oh my God. Oh wow, it's filled with a lot of boxes that have not been unpacked. We're probably gonna be waiting a little while. Corporate told me August 15th is when my Spirit is supposed to be opening. But what that just looked like, I don't know. I don't know. But Spirit's never been in that building before, so maybe we're gonna have multiple locations in my area this year. Can't complain about that. All right, we're at Kohls / Sephora. and I'm excited. Let's do it. And then we're gonna go to Ross afterwards. I promise. We found some goodies. This big guy, but those ghosts look like sperm. So I don't think I'll be getting that. Yeah, we got pillows and doormats and rugs. Got some little signs and candles, more pillows. Nothing too crazy. What is this? That is really cute. I like that one a lot. Oh, her shoes are so squeaky. We got some blankies. This one has ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns and branchy trees. This one is Hocus Pocus. Got a pillow with Night Before Christmas on it. That's pretty much all I'm seeing. Oh, we found some skeletons and some garland. And that's basically it so far, but I'm gonna keep looking though. Found a cute blanket plush set with Jack Skellington holding a blanket. And a couple down here. That's pretty much it though. We have a Christmas squishmallow. That's interesting. Yep, that's pretty much it. We found the holy grail of kitchen towels. We got lots of Mickeys, and I love that. Jack Skellington, more Mickey. I think this says Happy Haunting. Yes, Happy Haunting. Got Hey Baby Yoda. Little ghosties. Some gnomes, of course. Owls, ghosts. If the shoe fits, or the shoes fit. Yeah, if the shoes fit. And some fall stuff and sparkly spiderweb placemats. Oh, what's over here? I see orange in the corner of my eye. Got some bath mats, some fall and some Halloween bath mats. All right, we found Halloween in the clearance section, surprisingly. We got this balloon arch, pumpkin carving kit, wall bats with a spider web, pumpkin spice hot chocolate bomb. I might just have to grab that because I don't drink coffee, but I love pumpkin spice, so it's difficult for me to find anything pumpkin spice that doesn't have coffee in it. So I might have to pick that up. And we got this big bow right here. But look, guys, there's some Christmas in the clearance aisle. These little ornaments. Very cute. Oh, God. We got more Christmas. Oh, dear. Yep, we got stockings. We got wrapping paper. Oh, geez. Yep, more stockings and ornaments. Oh, it's happening, guys. It is happening. I'm not complaining. Not even a little bit, because I do love Christmas just as much as I love Halloween. I've told you guys this before. A little trick-or-treat headband. More Christmas. Oh. Little trick-or-treat doggy outfit. My dog would not fit in that. Not even a little. All right. This, oh my God. This That's crazy. And my car's all the way by that tree. Oh man, and it's not gonna stop anytime soon. I can't even see, you see that flag? I can't even see that. I can barely see the flag, and it's not that far away. Oh Jesus, I'm just gonna have to make a run for it. Oh God, here we go again. This thunder's crazy. Oh my goodness. I hope the audio is picking up well, because in person, it sounds like a whip cracking over and over again. It's so cool. All right, time to make a run for it, I guess. Oh, Jesus, here we go. I'm scared, y'all. I don't know why. I'm wearing sandals, so that's not very ideal for running. So I'm just gonna have to get drenched and deal with the consequences later. Wish me luck. I'm actually drenched. Oh my God. Ugh. And I ate shit in the parking lot because my shoe kept coming off. I literally just bought sandals while I was... Oh my God. Why is my floor flooded? Oh no! What's happening? Ah! And then, look. Ah! Like, what? Oh my God. Like, I don't even know if I should drive right now. There's no wind or anything. It's just like really heavy rain. My floor is flooded. I don't understand. I think like just the 3 seconds of my door being open so that I could get in literally flooded my floorboard. That's insane. Like, that moving water is very concerning when you're driving. Like, that moving water can sweep you away easily. And we still gotta go to Ross, which is right there across the street. I am drenched, like soaked. Visiting me here, so obviously because of the rain, we did not go to Ross. We went straight home. That rain was intense, and I am now sick. I don't know if it's from the rain, but like my throat, I cannot stop coughing. Very congested. I don't know, just like it's whatever. I'm complaining. Anyways, like I said, I don't know if it's from the rain, but I feel like I should be fine by tomorrow. But yeah, we did not go to Ross, so we're just gonna jump to, I don't know if it's the next day, 2 days after, I don't remember. You'll see. Welcome back, guys. It is August 12th, and we are at Marshall's very early on this Saturday morning, so we could beat the crowd. And we found some good stuff so far, and we just got here. So we're gonna make it quick though, because it's starting to get busier and busier as I speak. Oh my God, so much is happening. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, first we got these spooky socks. I picked up this one, it's 10 pairs. And we got some of the cozy socks down here, and jack-o'-lanterns and bats and ghosties. Found a really big serving platter. Is it just one? No, it's like 3 of them actually. I don't know exactly what I'd do with that because I don't really host parties or anything. I'm thinking about doing one this year, but that is very cute. We found a spooky house mug that's actually very, very cute. I'm scared to move this. Oh, on Wednesdays we wear black. You guys know what happened last time when I smashed that wine glass by accident. Some black cats. Alright, I found a bunch of tumblers. Some we've seen, some we haven't. We got more skulls, sugar skulls, witch find on a broom. We got pumpkins, we got dogs and cats and flowers. These are very cute. Got some cutesy candles and a mug set. Another mug set. Booyah, howdy boo. Okay. Dang boo. That's cheesy, but it's cute, so I don't mind. More serving trays. Looks like they're glow in the dark. Holy shit. All I did was walk down this aisle, and I just... Don't you dare hang up. Oh, all I did was walk past it, and it started going off, and that made me jump out of my skin. Oh my God, we're walking away. Goodbye. I can't handle attention being on me. I don't want people to look at me, so we had to run away. Ooh, look at this. We got a big skelly and one of those moving brooms. Got some more stacked pumpkins and a big old pumpkin. These ugly witches. I just don't understand these witches. Got some Mickey wreaths. And in this light up yard decor, it's only $30. I mean, it's all right for the price. But let's see what else we can find. Found some blankets we haven't seen yet. This jack-o'-lantern one is really cool. This palmistry one matches my tattoos. Haven't seen this pillow yet. Guys, oh my god, I literally just saw it at the corner of my eye. I've been looking for this sheet set in my size for so long and I just found it. Oh my god, I didn't even breathe while saying all of that. Oh, I'm so happy. Does anyone want to explain to me what happened to Sally? And why she looks like that? And it's licensed by Disney, so... I mean, is she in some kind of weird wedding dress and a veil? I mean, Jack looks pretty much the same. What is wrong with Sally? We've had good luck today. Does that mean I want to go to TJ Maxx in Burlington? Oh, it's gonna be so busy. It's Saturday morning. The longer I wait, the busier it's gonna get. All right, if we're gonna do it, we need to do it now. There was nothing at TJ Maxx that we haven't already seen. So we're just gonna crawl across the street to Burlington. There's probably gonna be a lot there that we haven't seen yet because, you know, last two times we went, they were like barely sprinkling stuff out. And it's been about a week. Maybe a week exactly since we've been to Burlington. So let's go see if they have anything new. Here's something we haven't seen yet. Got some bar soap and cinnamon vanilla, which is two of my favorite scents of all time. We have got our basic soap dispensers and our plastic cups and our stacked mugs. You've pretty much seen all of these mugs before, except for this one, this Chucky and Tiffany one. That's adorable. For those of you with crotch goblins, we have baby blankets. Got Winnie the Pooh, Minnie, and Mickey. We got some new pillows. Let's see. Look at little Michael Myers. Oh, he's adorable. Alright, we got some spooky jammies, a nice collared shirt with some shorts with pumpkins and gourds all over it. Let's see. Oh, got some ghosties with a shirt attached. Oh my goodness, everything's tangled. Some ghosts on it. Let's see. We got this shirt right here, which is cute and it looks comfy. It comes with shorts. Pumpkin spice latte. Let's see. Anything else? What's this? Got some pants with pumpkin spice lattes on them. They're all looking the same. I think that's it. All right, that's it for Burlington. I'm done for today. I think I'm gonna go home and take a nap until my mans comes home. Mans comes home. What? Until Taylor comes home. Yeah, obviously I need it. Because as soon as he gets home, we're going to get something to eat because I'm starving. And I don't want to eat now because I'm not going to be hungry when he gets home. And he doesn't get home till like 12:30 and it's only just before 11. And I'm so hungry. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.